Hey guys, hope you're having a great day so far. Have you seen SocialBee's new AI Copilot? Stay tuned for a quick overview to see how it uses AI to do a whole lot more than just schedule posts. It gives you an entire social media plan, and it's an affordable option tailored to solopreneurs and small businesses who have better things to do, like growing your business. Maybe you've heard of SocialBee. They've been around since 2016. When looking at their social media tools, you see many options for content creation, scheduling and publishing and posting, engagement to manage your social mentions, comments, and DMs more efficiently, collaboration, analytics. You can also see the platforms that SocialBee integrates with. In fact, they just added Threads recently. I point this out because not every AI tool for social media integrates with every social platform. You may not know that. So you always want to research and make sure your favorites are on the list. Now to the fun stuff, which for me is the AI Copilot, also called the AI Assistant. By the way, this AI assistant is included in all plans, making it affordable and accessible for solo owners, consultants, creators, and freelancers. So how is this different than other AI tools? One word: personalization. It helps you create a highly targeted action plan based on your company's unique needs, goals, and target audiences. At the same time, it helps to simplify the process at all stages. I'll show you how. The first step is truly my favorite part because it helps you develop a strong marketing foundation for your plan. It starts by walking you through a series of prompts. That's right, prompts. You don't have to think about which prompts to write like you do with ChatGPT. This asks you all the right questions, so you end up with a tailored, results-oriented plan. For example, it's going to ask you to describe your target customers. Just like with any other marketing project you tackle, providing your customer profile is absolutely critical to creating a successful outcome. Think demographics, psychographics, behavioral profile. The more detailed you are when answering these questions, the better the results will be. Next, the Copilot will generate the plan, which includes 4 sections. You can actually see the sections over on the right: suggested socials, content categories, posting plan, generated posts. So let's start over here. First, it's going to recommend the best platforms for your goals and target audience. For example, Pinterest might be recommended if it meets the demographics of your target audience. It also lets you instantly connect to these platforms over here on the right-hand side. Next up, the content categories. Depending on your brand's voice and objectives, Copilot presents categories like behind-the-scenes stories, infographics, industry news, client success stories. Maybe it thinks video content is the best thing, or product spotlight, depending on what you're trying to promote. All kinds of interesting options here in content categories that it's going to recommend for you. Now, while the tool provides popular suggestions, you can always customize this section by adding or removing, as you can see the delete button here, categories based on your preferences. And step 3 is where the AI automation kicks in and really saves you a ton of time and frustration. Copilot creates a posting schedule for the entire week with multiple posts across multiple platforms. As you can see, these posts are based on the categories we just created, and this is, of course, fully customizable. This step ensures you'll have a balanced mix of content in your schedule every day for the entire week. Wouldn't it be nice to see this posting plan every Monday instead of a blank calendar? One less thing on your to-do list. Okay, on to the final step. And if you're happy with those posts, go into each category and feel free to customize them to your liking. Did I mention each post comes with an AI-generated prompt for images? Perfect to create those eye-catching posts. Finally, order up some posts. Add a little AI magic and you've got posts for each of your content categories. And one last thing before I let you go, just wanted to show you the pricing. This bootstrap plan is best for solopreneurs and businesses just starting out at $24 per month, billed annually. You have a free trial, 14 days for $0. So you can get in there and try this out and see if you like it. I always recommend that's a great place to start, especially if you're new to AI tools for marketing or social media. Most of the tools these days are giving you free trials so that you can see if you like it. I recommend that you try more than one, try several. You will find that there are certain tools you enjoy using more than others. I know that that's what happens with me, and it's different for everybody. So get in there, try it out, and see if this is going to be a good fit for you. Thanks everybody for hanging in with me. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the SocialBee AI assistant. And if you like it, give me a like. Maybe you subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.